If you own a house, then you probably know what carpenter bees are and how much damage they can cause. I made a video on building traps in the past, and I'll put a link to that in the description if you're interested. But how do you fix the holes that are already there? Well, I recently came across this kit on Amazon, and it has what I believe little barbs on this plastic piece here to clean out the holes. And then it comes with a couple different size actual pegs that you can fill the holes back in and make it look nice again. So let's see how this works. I have a carpenter bee hole right here, and from what I understand, these holes can go quite a distance back into your wood, and that is why we are going to try and clean it out with this plastic first. This is probably not critical, but I'm going to at least give it a try since it's included. And it doesn't appear to be that deep in this actual hole, so we're just going to try and plug it. Now, since this comes with two different size pegs, I pulled both of them out. The larger one, I have a feeling, is going to stick way out once it's in there. The smaller one, I think, is going to fit the best, so we're going to try and hammer that one in. If the size of the hole kind of goes in between these two, you could always put the larger one in and then cut the top off, making sure it's flush. Try not to hit your hands when you're doing this. Let's see. If you can, try and get it as flush as possible. That way it won't be noticeable. Now the wood looks a lot better because you don't have a big gaping hole in it. Plus it keeps the carpenter bees from going in and out easily. And from my understanding, they like to use holes from previous years, so that'll stop that. And just so you know, carpenter bees are not the same as honeybees. So you're not hurting the honeybees by doing this. You're just keeping the carpenter bees from chewing up your wood and your house. Again, this kit comes with two different size pegs, some cleaning plastic scrapers, and a couple carrying bags. If you're interested in any of this, I'll put a link to that in the description. Make sure you check it out. I think you'll love them.